Nut-crusted salmon. This is what you make when you have very little time to get dinner on the table. It's fast, easy, and delicious. Start out with a great piece of salmon. This is sockeye salmon. Then we go to honey. You need thyme, Dijon mustard, rosemary, salt and pepper. And we're doing 2 different kinds of nuts because Mark wants macadamia and I want pistachio. I've prepped everything. All I have left to do is chop the nuts. So like I said, I'm going to do mine with pistachios, which I'm going to chop up. And Mark's going to do the macadamia nuts, which are already chopped from the last time we had this. So all you have to do is decide which nuts you want to use on top of your salmon. Okay, we're going to put the nuts aside. I'm going to add my rosemary. You can use dried or fresh. Okay, we have salt, pepper, and thyme. Again, you can use fresh or dried. And of course, all the information will be in the description box. Here's our Dijon mustard and our honey, which I did spray the bottom of the dish so it would come out.
Sprayed it with what?
Cooking spray, non-stick cooking spray. The instructions say to just pour it on. Don't let it, try not to let it run down the sides. You don't want to lose any of that. Beautiful. Doesn't that look great? Now there's more of this glaze on there than we need, so we're going to use that for the remaining salmon. So this one is going to be yours.
I love macadamia nuts.
I do too.
You just pat them on there.
Yes.
And you want a nice thick coating of these.
Yeah. What do you think? More?
Oh yeah. And you just pat it down.
Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put the pistachios on. I'll come back and pat them each down.
Okay.
Well, I've only got a little bit left now. Okay. I just love the color of pistachios. So now we have to try each other's. Okay.
How hot's the oven?
425, I believe.
Okay.
Okay, cook time. Let's split the difference, say 13. Okay, and now we wait. We want it to be 125 degrees Fahrenheit. And oh yeah, it's ready. Definitely ready. Now it's time to try nut-crusted salmon. It was really fast, and it's going to be really good.
Mine have macadamia nuts on them.
And I have pistachios on mine.
And we've agreed to share.
Yep, we'll see what happens. And we have rice on the side to go with it.
Just beautiful. I wish you could smell the two different dishes. They each smell unique.
Wow.
This is delicious.
Okay.
Let's try it.
I'm going to try down at the bottom like I did for...
Going big.
It's good, but I think I don't know. That's a tough one. I mean, you could do walnuts or
Wow,
almonds or any kind of nut.
that is nice. I like the macadamians better.
Okay.
Personal preference.
Okay. Why?
Not, yeah, I don't know. I knew she would ask that. I don't know. It's got a. I love macadamians and I love pistachios. Macadamia nuts, of course, are expensive. Um, I like the texture of a macadamia nut when I chew on them.
Okay.
Um, and I love pistachios. But if you had to ask me which one I would prefer, it would be macadamia nuts all day long.
All right. We'll switch back.
So they're just,
I mean, there's lots of flavor in this.
yeah, both of them are very
I mean,
unique and
the
delicious.
honey, the Dijon mustard, the rosemary.
And the salmon's nice and firm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a tough call.
Wow. What type of salmon did you use?
Oh, wild sockeye salmon.
Yeah, very
Wild
nice.
salmon, that's the way to go.
Delicious.
Now, like we've said in the past, new videos out every Sunday at noon Eastern Time. And thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. We hope you make this because it's very good and was so fast. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye. Very nice. This is delicious.